Welcome to the Paper Trail Academy. My name's Ellie, and in this video I'm going to guide you through the P1 vehicle inspection process.
This is your Paper Trail dashboard. From here you'll be able to see what inspections are due. You can get to these records by either going through your folder structure here or simply clicking Inspection Due. You can see which folders the records sit under. Here it's G20 P1 Vehicle Checks. I'm going to perform a vehicle check inspection. You can do this by clicking the white box here and then ticking Add One Inspection. This will bring the inspection up in front of you. Alternatively, you can click into the record itself and then click the plus inspection button. First of all, you will need to select the current shift that you are working on and then go through the checks, ticking it off one by one once you're happy with your checks. If you need more information for each one, click on the blue information icon. If you need to leave a comment, so for example, if the lights and reflectors were not okay, you would leave this unticked and then click on the pencil. You can add your comment and then click Save. If you need to remove this comment, click on the pencil again and delete. And then I'm happy with the checks now, so I'm going to tick it from here and then save. I'm going to show you how to add a photo to an inspection. Say you're going along doing your mechanical checks and you notice there's a chip in the windshield. You will go to the pencil, and this is where you'll be able to add your comments and add a photo by clicking Add File. You can upload the photo of the windshield, click Open, and by clicking Save, this will add the photo to that check. You can then continue with all your checks. If you say you've done these both at the same time and you're happy, you can click Select All.
And then we choose the overall state of the record. Because the mechanical checks haven't been completely filled out, this may need to be altered. These are the options you get to choose from. For this instance, I'm probably going to choose Monitor Safe to Use. You can add any overall comments, add any photos or files. Once you're happy, click Save. I'll see that this inspection has been added with Monitor Safe to Use, with the mechanical checks displaying that there is an amber warning and the windshield and wipers hasn't been ticked. The next shift inspection due date has been changed. Now I'm going to show you the Tyre Check inspection process. Let's perform the P1 Tyre Checks inspection. You'll be able to get to your inspection by going through your folder structure. Click on the folder icon. You'll see the station name P1 Vehicle Checks folder. In here you will see your Tyre Checks inspection. You can perform this inspection by clicking on the white box and then adding one inspection, or you can go through into the record itself and then clicking plus inspection. First select the current shift you're working on and then go through checking all the tyres on the vehicle, selecting general condition as okay or not okay, typing the tyre pressure in and the tyre tread, and do the same for all the tyres. Once you've selected all the tyres and checked that they're all okay, once you've done all your checks, select the state of the inspection. These are the ones that you can choose from. You can leave an overall comment, add any photos or files, and then click Save. Thanks for watching and see you soon.